Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 8 best pizza pans. So let's get started. Number 8. G&S Metal Products. G&S Metal Products Pizza Pan is a professional pizza making tool made from professional corrosion-resistant steel. This steel ensures the perfect heat for every pie. In particular, this pan coated with Teflon platinum coating both inside and outside. The rim of this pan is increased from the inside surface so that your pizza stays still and creates a base edge for you to hold. Besides, the Teflon anti-stick layer is safe as it does not contain PFOA and PTFE. However, to protect it, you should use kitchen utensils made of wood, silicone, or plastic. G&S Metal Products Pizza Pan is a pan you should have as it is perfect for you to create delicious pizzas for your family at dinner or on anniversaries. Therefore, let it become a great support tool for you. Number 7. Wilton Perfect Results. Wilton Pizza Pan is perfect from structure to appearance. This is a pizza pan made of steel combined with a non-stick layer, which giving a batch of cake without clutter. Pan surface has small holes for ventilation. This hole also works to add heat to make your pizza crust more crispy. This 10-inch pizza pan has firm handles on both sides. It allows you to hold easily even when taking it out from the oven. You can set this pan to clean in the dishwasher. However, you should use warm water and mild detergent to maintain its efficiency and durability longer. Wilton is one of the leading brands in the kitchen industry. Their products are always effective and highly applicable. If you need a pizza pan, think of Wilton 14-inch non-stick crisper silver pizza pan. If any problems occur, you will get a 10-year warranty for the product. Number 6. Chicago Metallic 14-inch. Chicago Metallic gives you the right tools. Chicago Metal Deep Dish Pizza Pan does not just make perfect pizzas. Its flexible design allows you to prepare biscuits or pizza stuffed in the oven most efficiently and deliciously for you and your family to enjoy. This Chicago Pizza Pan is made from heavy carbon steel, which symbolizes the power and durability of the tool. Besides, this Chicago Pizza Pan has a non-stick layer so that your cake stays intact after being poured out for decoration as well as less effort when cleaning it. Chicago Pizza Pan has a diameter of 14 and a height of 1.5. It allows you to make more types of cakes. In an oven, it is safe at temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. For cleaning, you can place it in the dishwasher, but it is preferable to wash it by hand to increase the shelf life of its. Number 5. USA Pan 14-inch. Aluminized pizza pan is bakeware made in the United States with ingredients of global origin. Products made from aluminized steel and sized 14 inches. This is a commercial-grade pizza pan and heavy-gauge pan, so you are free to make your pizza. USA Pan Bakeware aluminized steel pizza pan has a unique corrugated surface, which facilitates the air circulation of your baked goods evenly and frees up quickly. This pizza pan is covered with Americoat, a type of silicone that does not contain PFOA, PTFE, and BPA. USA Pan Bakeware is made of a mixture of new and recycled steel. USA Pan Bakeware is sturdy, consistent, and comes with a lifetime guarantee. USA Pan's premium bakeware lets daily home bakers create baked goods at a high quality. Number 4. Tefal 15.75-inch AirBake. With the perforated technology, AirBake Pizza Pan provides a faster crust heating mode, resulting in a perfectly crispy pizza. In addition, the design of the product is a non-stick finish. Its size is measured to be 15.75 inches, which is suitable for your favorite cupcakes. The safe temperature of this pizza pan is up to 425. With this pan, you can bake a home or frozen pizza. This product provides the best baking results every time. It is perforated to allow faster temperature dispersion, even heating the crust, creating a perfectly crispy pizza. Before using your baking pan for the first time, spread a teaspoon of cooking oil on the inside with a clean cloth and wipe off any excess. It would help if you did not overheat the pan. You should use plastic utensils to avoid scratching the pan cover. Wash it by hand. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 15-inch OXO pizza pan is a baking pan made from commercial-grade aluminized steel, so it can distribute heat for a while, even if the heat distribution and durability of the product is long-term stable. The microstructure model of this product ensures the baking process. Its coating is made from Switzerland, and a 2-layer, reinforced, commercial ceramic layer provides the final release of non-stick food and is resistant to scratches, stains, corrosion, and abrasion resistance. The square roll edges add reinforcement to the structure, strength, durability, and provide a secure grip for easy handling and transfer to and from the oven. You can easily see the size markings on the pan surface, which allows for quick size recognition when baking. Number 2. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Black Lodge Pizza Pan is a cast iron pan made in the USA with size 14 inches. With such a large cooking surface, you can make perfect home-baked dishes like pies, pizzas, or roasted vegetables. Extensive side part handles allow for a secure grip and greater control. In addition, this pan has unparalleled heat retention and even heating capabilities, giving great results to your dish. It provides many possibilities, such as drying, baking, braising, or frying. This baking pan is safe to use on the stove or grill, in the oven, and on a campfire. You need to wash it with warm water for long-term use. Add a small amount of mild soap when washing, then dry with a lint-free cloth or tissue. Finally, pour the oil onto the surface of the pan with a very light layer of cooking oil, then hang or store tools in a dry place. Number 1. Crown Cookware 2-pack. If you do not have hole fear syndrome, then you can refer to this cookware, the Crown Cookware Pizza Pan. It is considered one of the best hole-style products. It is made from pure aluminum, so it has a high quality, no rust, and ch-ipping in the long run. I appreciate that this pizza tray has a sharp and thin design but does not warp. With such a sturdy structure, the tray's surface is easy to contact with thin or thick base pizza for baking. You will enjoy having hot and aromatic batches of pizza right at your home. You and your loved ones can party with pizza as the highlight. The Crown Cookware Pizza Pan will assist you from the baking process to the table to serve. I would also like to remind you that this pizza pan prefers washing by hand rather than into the dishwasher.